Before performing any mass update, it's important to always remember to back up your data. In this example, we're going to update the custom details panel for Hugh Allen, and I'll show you how to do that. So when you click on custom details, you'll notice on his custom detail panel that the termination notes field is blank. And we're going to mass update this for all employees who are active to actually put in NA for not applicable. So to do that, we can either go to Processes up at the top portion of your screen or under Processes on the Employees menu. And we can single click Mass Update. Then we'll choose the Employee Custom Detail Data file. And by choosing that file, we will have the appropriate fields populated to choose from, which in this case, we're looking for termination notes. So anything that we're doing here in this mass update is going to affect this particular field. If we want all of the records to be updated, so any single person, regardless of whether or not they're active or terminated, we could simply leave this field blank. But I only want to update the termination notes field to active employees. So we can do this by clicking on Expression Builder. We're going to need to change the table to PE. And then we have new fields populated once we change the table. We're going to select P_active, which is going to identify whether or not an employee is active or terminated. So I'm going to double click on this. And by double clicking on it, it's going to add this field to the expression. And then I'm going to do space equals space, a single quote, capital A, and close the quote so that this expression is only looking for active employees in the system. And I'm going to click on Verify to make sure that my expression is valid and will work. When I click on Verify, it says expression is valid and it quickly hides that. So I know that my expression is good and it's going to work, so I'll click OK, and that's going to populate it. You don't have to use the expression builder either. You can simply type this in if you know the actual record and the expression. Then what we want this field to be is going to be basically what we type right in here. You can use the expression builder, or if I know that I want all active employees to have not applicable, I have to make sure that I enclose that with a single quote. But I will do N/A for not applicable, close that with a single quote, and then when I hit OK, it's going to prompt me with a warning saying 19 records will be updated. So I have 19 active employees in my system, and it's just making sure I really do want to update since this is a mass update and will affect more than one employee. So I'm going to hit yes, and it does that very quickly, and it says how many records were updated, and I will hit OK. And then I'm just going to close the screen out and verify on this employee on his custom details panel that the mass update did in fact take place, which it did. We do have N/A in the termination notes, and he is an active employee.